Hi guys, I'm trying to recover my hub that is compromised. So as you can see, my hub is in this box with a lot of broken laptops. It is covered in kitchen foil and some lots of copper wires. I'm trying to block the Wi-Fi signal. Got plenty of laptops in here to cover the signal. Yeah, it is not plugged to the internet, so the cable is here. The only thing is the LAN cable, which is attached to my computer. It is on now. Let me show you how it works. I'm cleaning the history on my clear history. 198 dot no 192 dot 168 dot 0 dot 1. Yeah, I'm choosing the English. It just been reset to factory. Next, enter your password. That's the default password. If you see it, I don't really care. So 1 2, and now next. Someone else is currently logged into the settings page. Only one session at a time is allowed. So I'm not allowed to get into my hub. If I'm pressing back, there's nothing. If I'm pressing exit, I'm just going out of this. I have no internet connection. I have no Bluetooth on my laptop. So again, next, the same thing happened. Now exit. What should I do now?